Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell digital downloads in Etsy, a platform primarily known for handmade and vintage items, but also allows sellers to offer digital goods. To get started, you need to have an Etsy shop and a digital product to sell, such as printables, templates, or patterns. First, ensure your shop is set up to sell digital downloads by going to your shop settings and clicking on the Options tab, then selecting the box that says Digital Goods. This will allow you to upload and sell digital files. Next, create a new listing for your digital product by clicking on the Add a New Listing button in your shop dashboard. Choose the category and type that best fit your product, and make sure to select the box that indicates the item is a digital download. When creating your listing, include high-quality images of your product and write a detailed description that includes information about the file type, size, and what the customer can expect to receive. You should also set a competitive price for your product based on similar items in your niche. To upload your digital file, go to the Files tab in your listing and click on the Upload a File button. Choose the file you want to upload and select the correct file type, such as PDF or JPEG. After uploading your file, set the download limit and expiration date if desired. This will control how many times the customer can download the file and for how long it will be available. Once you have completed your listing, click on the Publish button to make it live in your shop. Customers can now purchase and download your digital product. To fulfill orders, Etsy will automatically send the customer a download link after payment has been made. You can also track and manage your orders in your shop dashboard. Best practices for selling digital downloads in Etsy include providing excellent customer service, responding promptly to messages and reviews, and continuously improving and updating your products to meet customer needs. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell digital downloads in Etsy and reach a large customer base. Remember to always follow Etsy's policies and guidelines when selling digital goods, and to provide high-quality products and excellent customer service to build a strong reputation and grow your business.